This is trade recap for the 20th of 19th of September, Friday, and I am down 380 on the day. So this new account, I only took 2 losses. I didn't trade for a whole week practically. Didn't find there was some decent setups. I missed a very clear long on Thursday. No, on when was it off OMC? Wednesday. I missed a really nice long, but didn't take it because I just like in the moment I didn't see it, but then oh shit, what a clear long. And yeah, alright, so let's get into this recap. So on Friday, what my bias was, let's actually get rid of these. No, let's actually keep it. So on my bias was, since we're all-time high, obviously bullish. We've just been forming bullish structures for ages. I mean, we're just been in bullish order flow in the daily for ages. We go on the 4 hour. Actually, move that. Wait, what? Am I dead? Oh wait, never mind. Wait. Okay, so my bias going to the day was bullish because we were in this. We're in this. Wait, where is it? Like in this gap here. Or is this a gap? We're in basically OTE of this range here, of this New York range. If you mark it out. Basically OTE, the 0.25, more or less the 0.6, like 7 or whatever it is. 6, 7, yeah, alright, so let's skip to market open a bit. So what time is this? 8:40. 8:40. Oh yeah, I took a short. So here we can see we just swept these relative equal highs, and we tapped into this 15-minute gap here, and we saw strong wicks, like rejection wicks. Like we're not like clearly going above, like displacing above these highs. We're barely like closing within them. And what like what I did bad was I should have waited for this 15-minute inverse, but instead I entered on this 5-minute change in the state of delivery, which I was confident in. Like I was kind of confident in it, and we had low resistance liquidity here. So I entered short on the 5-minute change. There's also like 1-minute inverse here, and 5-minute change, and then I had my stop here, TP here. I think I had my stop like a bit above actually, like here. That was my stop, and yeah, we got stopped out because I actually failed to see this SMT. I wasn't looking at ES at the time. I actually didn't see this SMT, and I got stopped out pretty much, well, kind of quick, in like 5 minutes. But yeah, it's because we put in this SMT. Once we put in this SMT and had this 1-minute change, I should have just took it off at break even, like here. But we also had a bullish SMT, a bearish SMT with this high here, like this. So overall, it was a not an A plus, it was an A minus. Yeah, it was an A minus. That higher time frames added up. It was just the internal price action that didn't didn't go as planned. So yeah, And yeah, that was, I can show the executions real quick. Oh yeah, well this is the trade. So yeah, it actually ended up playing out after we put in after we put in, to be fair, I don't know why we didn't play it out right then. Well, to be fair, the SMT, but it ended up playing out like after we took this high. Oh yeah, we took this high and then it played out. So this was even a better one. So you could have entered on this inverse here. I think I paper traded this. I entered here, short, and like this candle open, targeting this low resistance here. Oh, I think my stop was a bit higher, but I remember paper trading this and it hit TP right there. Oh, honestly, the day was alright. Like quite some good setups. This long was pretty decent, honestly. Like right when I entered short, but it's just these rejection wicks that just had me tripping, like out of the bearish for value gap here after we swept those highs. So yeah, so that is it. I'm not gone, guys. If ever for a while I didn't upload a video, it's not that I'm too lazy. It's just I haven't taken a trade. It's just I only take I only make videos when I take a trade. So yeah. Alright, guys. Have a good weekend and see yous.